day! The Blue Tractor and I have a very important mission today. We have to feed all the birds in the park so that they don't remain hungry and so that they become belly full and cute little animals. And now we fill the trailer with bird food so that we could feed the birdies. Oh, here we are. There is a bird feeder just right there.
Просто очень интересно. Просто дико интересно.
Oh, look! There is someone up there. Hey, it's Om Nom. Om Nom, come here.
Om Nom, why did you eat the bird food? It's not tasty. It's just for birds. Om Nom, let's make a deal. I give you the candy from my trailer and you don't eat the bird food anymore. Because otherwise, birds will remain hungry. Vera, take the candy, please. So, is it tasty?
And now, let's feed the birds. So, we filled the first feeder. Now, let's drive on. Watching this video, my friends. If you liked it, then press the button on the screen and watch some more. Bye bye.